Hello students. So today we come to the end of the lesson India's climate, vegetation and wildlife. Today we are going to focus on the topic wildlife of India, and I'm going to tell you what are the major wildlife which is found in India. So here we go. Now, Indian forests are home to a variety of wildlife. The tiger, which is India's national animal, is found in many parts of the country. The Sundarbans are the home of the majestic Bengal tiger. It is so majestic, we can see from this photograph. The common leopard is found in the forest all over India, but the snow leopard lives only in the Himalayas. The Asiatic lion is found mainly in the Gir National Park in Gujarat. Elephants are common in the forests of peninsular India. They are found in Assam and West Bengal also. The Indian rhinoceros, which is a protected animal, is found in large areas of Assam and some parts of West Bengal. The gaur or the Indian bison is found in both North and South India. The red panda and the ibex is found in the Himalayan forest. The ibex is a goat which is found in the rocky areas of the Himalayas. It is very deft-footed and can climb the steep slopes of the rocky areas of the Himalayas. The wild yak is found in the Ladakh region. Besides this, there are several different types of animals which are found in various parts of the country. They include bears, monkeys, wolves, jackals, deer, antelopes, and the nilgai. India also has a variety of reptiles. Among these are the different types of snakes, of which cobra or the king cobra is very common. Many different types of lizards and turtles, crocodiles, and the blunt-nosed gharial is found commonly in the Chambal River. The Chambal River is the home for the Indian gharials, and their number has increased in this river to a great number, mainly because of the area or the river being free from pollutants, as there are no big industries or cities along the river. That is why the river Chambal has seen a huge number of gharials to increase in their progeny, and therefore it is an area where their numbers are increasing and they are also highly protected. More than 1,000 species of birds are found in India. These include the parrots, kingfisher, storks, the barbets, hawks, owls, and many other birds. The peacock is the national bird of India. Besides this, many different species of birds, especially ducks, cranes, flamingos, they keep migrating to India from the cold countries during winter. Now, animals and birds are parts of our country's heritage. Unfortunately, owing to hunting and deforestation, most of the wild animals of India are rapidly declining in number. Many of them are facing extinction, and in order to protect them, many national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries have been set all over India. The parks and sanctuaries provide the animals and birds protection in the wild, and they also give people an opportunity to see these animals in the wild. In this way, it helps to increase awareness about wildlife. Now, biosphere reserves, national parks, sanctuaries, all these are ways where we can protect our wildlife. Now, biosphere reserves are learning areas or the areas where a lot of research work is carried out for animals, plants, as well as many other different types of species. A biosphere reserve includes terrestrial, marine, and coastal ecosystem. It is a large protected area of land which is meant for conservation of wildlife, biodiversity, and also the traditional lifestyles of the tribal people living in the area. There are about 18 biosphere reserves in India, of which the Manas Biosphere Reserve in Madhya Pradesh, the Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve in the south, which is an area between India and Sri Lanka, and the Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserves, which is a mountainous area, are the most important. National parks are a relatively large area of scenic beauty, protected and maintained by the central government. It preserves the flora, fauna, landscape, historic objects of the area, and places of scientific interest. On the contrary, a sanctuary is a protected and reserved area for conservation of wildlife animals. It can be abolished also if some government plans have to be carried out. The Wildlife Institute of India at Dehradun trains people to protect and manage wildlife. In this sector of managing and protecting wildlife, several projects have been set up in the past. For example, the Project Tiger in 1973 was launched to save the dwindling population of the tigers in India. In 1992, Project Elephant was launched to protect the Asiatic elephants. We can help protect wildlife by refusing to buy things of ivory, that is, artifacts, jewelry made from the tusks of elephants, animal horns, animal skin, etc. This will prevent the killing of the animals for their products. In India, the first week of October is observed as the Wildlife Week every year. So these are some of the ways in which we can protect and save our wildlife, which is also a part of our heritage culture. I hope you have understood this topic well. So that is what we have enough time for today. Thank you.